Hi.
Rolf, why don't you play me a song on the piano? It's been so long.
Ugh, I hate the piano, okay? Stop telling people that I like the piano. Pianos are gay.
But you used to love it.
I never loved it. You can't just tell people that I love it when I don't. I'll sue you.
Piggy, what did you do to your pretty dress?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is my individuality not pretty enough for you? Don't censor me, bitch!
Piggy, you can't smoke in here.
People smoke in prison. I guess you want your home to be worse than prison. Okay, fine. Be a Nazi. Heil Hitler, I guess.
You're gay, dude. You said you were queer.
I said I was weird!
Dude, if you're gay, just tell me.
Oh my god, I'm not gay! I like chickens!
You like guy chickens?
No, girl chickens, dude! Girl chickens!
Hey, guys, I'm trying to finish my homework, so...
Shut up, queer.
Dude, I'm telling you, this is gonna be mad explosive. Don't freaking doubt me, Beaker. I read it on the internet. You don't know more than the internet, retard. Oh shit! I told you! Yo, look, check it out. It's my dick. Dude, shut up! Nanny's gonna hear. It's not that bad. Calm down. Holy shit!
Dude, this is gonna be so funny. I'm Fozzie Bear, and this is the Snot Cocktail. Waka waka waka!
Drink it, pussy.
Did you get that? Was it funny?
Sick, dude!
Nice.
Oh no, I'm gonna spew.
That's gross.
Oh shit, dude, go get Nanny. I'm really sick. Something's wrong.
Shut up, queer.